Teachers must protect their dignity and the trust of the community. But what happens when a teacher crosses a line?
Yeah, we heard people are talking to Sir Ken and Mrs. De La Cruz.
Yeah, they say he visit her house.
Students are confused. The Code of Ethics says teachers must avoid activities that affect the youth.
What if this humor is true?
Sir Ken, people are starting to talk about your visit with Miss De La Cruz.
I was just helping her with her class requirements.
Helping is fine, but frequent personal visits can be misinterpreted. We must avoid actions that damage public trust.
I didn't realize that it was that way.
Ma'am, I hope you understand. Your closeness with Sir Ken is creating issues.
Oh, I didn't know it's affecting the school. He was just helping me.
To avoid misunderstanding, let's keep school concerns inside the campus.
You're right. I don't want my job to be affected. I'll set boundaries from now on.
Come in.
Take
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir Ken, I heard a report about the inappropriate closeness with the parents. You know that is a violent Article 3, Section 3 of the Code of Ethics.
I meant no harm, ma'am. I only wanted to help your child. But I know that my actions caused out.
As a teacher's perception matter. Even a good intention can lead to ethical issues.
Yes, ma'am. I acknowledge my mistake.
So, limit your communication with school, grant and set clear boundaries, and create a document for the parents properly.
All the time, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Now you can go back to your class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Look, Sir Ken seems more serious now.
Minister said he apologized and fixed everything.
That's good. Teachers should protect their reputation.
And always follow the code of ethics. This case shows why teachers must maintain dignity and professionalism. Even small actions can cause big misunderstandings. Following the code of ethics protects the teacher, the students, and the entire school community. Thank you to our teacher, classmates, and the Code of Ethics for guiding this project.